So hello everyone, today's LeetCode challenge is find the original array from double array. So we have given an array which contains some element double of the original number. So our task is to find the original array. So let's jump into the code and try to understand it. So what is our task? We have given with an input list 1, 3, 4, 2, 6, 8 and our goal is to return the original list. So what will be the original list of this changer list? The original list will be 1, 3, 4 because if you multiply 1 by 2 and 3 by 2 and 4 by 2, it will return the list 1, 3, 4, 2, 6, 8. Now let's try to make an algorithm. So first of all, we create a counter which calculate every elements in our list. So c equal to counter and our list changed. Now suppose our input is 4 zeros. We check if count of 0 it's module by 2, then we return empty list. That means if we have a odd number of 0 element, we immediately return empty list. But if we have even number of zeros, the code will go on. So after that, let's make a for loop. So for in our sorted counter. See, so what we do, we create a counter and then iterate through its element by sorted order. So this is how our sorted counter look like. Okay, now we check if our c of x is greater than equal to c of 2x. If it is, we immediately return empty list. So what it do, it check for the x element and 2x element, like if both counts are same. If the first element's count is greater than its twice elements count, it will returns us empty list. Let's take this list as an example: 6, 3, 4 and 1. So its sorted counter is look like this: 1, 3, 4 and 6. Suppose our x is 1 and the 2x will be 2, but the count of 2 is 0 in our list, so we return empty list. Next, what we do, we reduce the 2x by x. So count of 2x minus equal to count of x if there is a x. Else what we do, we just divide it by 2 because there is a 0, because there is a possibility of 0 in a list. After that, we return it. We return list of counter element. Let's try to run it. So as you can see, our code is running. So let's try to copy and paste it in the site. So as you can see, our code get accepted. Let's try to submit it. Yeah, it's working. So here is a code. Thank you for watching. See you soon.